When working with electrical and gas systems, maintaining proper separation is crucial for safety and code compliance. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, and the National Fuel Gas Code, or NFGC, provide guidelines on minimum distances between electrical and gas equipment. Local codes may also have specific requirements, so consulting with your local building official is always recommended. Regarding underground service conduits and gas service pipes, the NEC Article 300.5 D1 C requires a minimum separation of 12 inches between underground electrical service raceways and gas service pipes. Similarly, the NFGC Section 21.17.22 specifies a minimum horizontal separation of 12 inches between underground electric lines and gas service lines. It's important to note that these are minimum requirements, and local codes may mandate greater distances. Always check with your local building official for specific distance requirements in your area. Now, let's discuss the minimum distances between metering equipment, such as power company pad mount transformers and gas meters. The NEC Article 230.95 prohibits the installation of electrical service equipment over or adjacent to gas meters unless approved by the authority having jurisdiction, or OJ. The NFGC Section 403.2 requires a minimum separation of 3 feet between gas meters and electric equipment unless otherwise approved. Again, local codes may impose additional distance requirements or restrictions on the installation of electrical equipment near gas meters. The authority having jurisdiction has the final say in determining the acceptable distances between electrical equipment and gas pipes or meters. To summarize, firstly, for underground service conduits and gas service pipes, both the NEC and NFGC generally require a minimum separation of 12 inches. Secondly, for metering equipment and gas meters, the NEC prohibits installation of electrical service equipment over or adjacent to gas meters without AHA approval, while the NFGC requires a minimum 3-foot separation unless otherwise approved. Always remember that these distances are minimums and may need to be increased based on safety concerns, local codes, or specific installation conditions. It is vital to consult with your local building official and the AHA to ensure compliance with all applicable regulations and safe practices. Understanding and adhering to these separation requirements is essential for preventing hazards and ensuring the safe operation of both electrical and gas systems.